4. Games we play. Children, the fourth lesson in the course book is Games we play. And now we will do the workbook part for this lesson, Games we play. Exercise time. This is the first section under Games we play lesson. The first bit here is tick the correct answer. 1. Time spent on recreational activities is called. So this is an incomplete sentence. We have to choose the correct answer from these given options. Time spent on recreational activities is called dash. And the options given here are A. Recreation time, B. Leisure time, C. Play time, D. None of these. The correct answer for this incomplete sentence is recreation time. So we will put a tick mark here for the option A. Time spent on recreational activities is called recreation time. 2. It is an indoor game. And the options given here are A. Hockey, B. Carom, C. Badminton, D. Cricket. And the answer for this second sentence is Carom, B. Carom is an indoor game. Hockey, badminton, cricket, these are outdoor games which are played outside. Carom can be played inside. So this is an indoor game. So answer here is Carom, that is option B. We will put a tick mark. Carom is an indoor game. Now 1 and 2 are completed. We will move to the third one. 3. It is an outdoor game. So among these four options, one game is outdoor game. We have to choose that game. Options are A. Cricket, B. Chess, C. Ludo, D. Carom. So among these four options, cricket is the correct answer because cricket is an outdoor game. We will put a tick mark for the cricket. Cricket is an outdoor game. The other three, chess, ludo and carom, are indoor games. 4. Which game was not played in the past? And the options here are A. Kabaddi, B. Stappu, C. Video game, D. Langri Tang. So which game was not played in the past? The answer for this question is C, that is video game. We will put a tick mark here for option C, that is video game. Video game was not played in the past. This is about the first bit. Tick the correct answer. Now we will move to the next bit. The next bit under exercise time is to tick the true and cross the false statements. Here we have 5 statements, and for the true statement we have to put the tick mark, and for the false statement we have to put a cross mark in the given boxes here. Now 1. We should play games to keep ourselves fit. Yes, this is a true statement. We will put a tick mark here. 2. P.V. Sindhu is an Indian cricket player. No, this is not a true statement. This is a false statement. P.V. Sindhu is not a cricket player. She is a badminton player. So the given sentence here is false. So we will put a cross mark. 3. Recreational activities help us to relax. Yes, this is a true statement. We will put a tick mark for this statement. That is number 3 is true statement. We are putting tick mark. 4. In the past, children were healthier. Yes, in the past, children were healthier. This is a true statement. We will put a tick mark here for this statement. 5. Outdoor games are played inside the house. No, this is a false statement. Outdoor games are played outside the house. So this is a false statement. We will put a cross mark for this statement. This is about the second bit under exercise time. Now we will move to the next bit. The third bit under exercise time is fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. Children, here we have 5 sentences. These sentences have blanks. We have to write the correct word in these blanks and complete the sentences. And some words are given here in this box. With the help of these words, we have to fill in these blanks. Now, what are these words? First, let's read them. Recreational, games, occupation, indoor, time. Now what are the given sentences here? Playing dash is important, and the correct word for this sentence is games. We will write here games. Playing games is important. 2. Dash activities are the things that we do when we are not working, and the correct word here is recreational. We will write here recreational. Recreational activities are the things that we do when we are not working. 3. Games that are played inside are called dash games, and the answer for this is indoor. Games that are played inside are called indoor games. 4. For some people, sports is an dash, and for this the word in the blank is occupation. For some people, sports is an occupation. 5. The dash spent on recreational activities is called leisure time, and here the correct word is time. The time spent on recreational activities is called leisure time. So these are the fill in the blanks. 1. Playing games is important. 2. Recreational activities are the things that we do when we are not working. 3. Games that are played inside are called indoor games. 4. For some people, sports is an occupation. 5. The time spent on recreational activities is called leisure time. Children, this is about the third bit. You can write these answers in your workbook. Now we will move to the next bit. 4. Match the following. The fourth bit under exercise time is match the following. We have 4 words in column A, and then we have some more words here in column B. We have to match these words with that of the words in the column B. The words given in column A are indoor games, outdoor games, games in past, team games. And in the column B are hockey, cricket, chess, carom, volleyball, hockey, steppu, gilli danda. Now we will match the words from column A with that of column B. 1. Indoor games. So the indoor games are here. Yes, the B bit, chess and carom. We will match indoor games with chess and carom. 2. Outdoor games. Here outdoor games are hockey and cricket. We will match outdoor games with hockey and cricket. 3. Games in past. So the games which were played in the past are steppu, gilli danda. We will match these games in the past with steppu, gilli danda. 4. Team games. So we will match the team games with volleyball and hockey. Yes, now we have completed the matching. Indoor games, chess and carom. Outdoor games, hockey, cricket. Games in past are stappu and gilli danda. 4 team games are volleyball and hockey. So this is about the match the following fourth bit. Now we will move to the next bit. The fifth bit under exercise time is answer the following questions. Here some questions are given. We will read the questions and write the answers for these questions. What is the importance of playing? And the answer for this question is, playing is a good exercise for the body and mind. It keeps us fresh and active. Playing games is the best form of entertainment and recreation. So this is the answer for this first question. 2. Name 5 games that were played in the past. The answer for this is skipping, 7 tiles, hide and seek, hopscotch, langri tang, etc. are some of the games which were played in the past. So children, these are the games which were played in the past. 3. What are outdoor games? And the answer for this question is, games that are played outside the house, on a ground or in the park are called outdoor games. So what are outdoor games? Games that are played outside the house, on a ground or park are called outdoor games. So these are the answers for these questions. You can write these answers in your workbook. Now we will move to the next question. Four. Name 3 games that we play as a team. So the 3 game names we have to write here which we play as a team. Hockey, cricket and football are the 3 games that we play as a team. So these are the 3 games which are played as a team: hockey, cricket and football. 5. What do you mean by leisure time? The answer for this question is, the time spent on recreational activities is called leisure time. So what is the leisure time? The time spent on recreational activities is called leisure time. So this is about the 4th question answer and 5th question and answers. You can write these answers in your workbook. Now we will move to the next section. The next section here is horse. What are the unique features of famous boat race of Kerala? Children, the question under horse given is, what are the unique features of famous boat race of Kerala? Kerala is land of backwaters and beaches and has a number of water sports associated with its major lakes. One of the major water sports in Kerala is Vallam Kali, held in autumn during Onam. Racing includes different kinds of paddled longboats. Some of the famous boat races held in Kerala are Nehru Trophy Boat Race, Aranmula Boat Race, Kallada Jalotsavam / Kallada Boat Race, Champakulam Moolam Boat Race, etc. So these are the major boat races held in Kerala. And what are the main features? The major water sports in Kerala is Vallam Kali, which is held during autumn when the Onam is in near. They play a major water sport, that is Vallam Kali, during Onam. And this racing includes paddled long boats. So the famous boat races in Kerala are Nehru Trophy boat race, Aranmula boat race, Kallada Jalotsavam, Kallada boat race, Champakulam, Moolam boat race, etc. This is about the horse section. Now we will move to the next section. The next section here is value based questions. So what is the question given in this section? What are the qualities of a sports person? So what are the qualities of a sports person? Driven to improve every day, to be disciplined, competitiveness, self-confidence, aggressiveness, focus on the task at hand and tune out any other distractions. Commitment, good management, determination, high tolerance for pain, adaptability, emotional maturity, to be in control of your emotions. So these are the qualities of sports person, of a sports person. See, for a good sports person, these qualities are very important. That is, we should try to improve every day and should be disciplined, and we should have competitiveness, self-confidence, aggressiveness also, and we should focus on a task at hand. We should finish one task at hand and then go to the next task, and we should not tune to the distractions. We should have good commitment and good time management. We should have a good time management and we should not waste the time, and we should have determination, high tolerance for pain. Yes, for a sports person, you need to practice to play the game, so you should have high tolerance for pain. You should have adaptability, emotional maturity, means you should be in control of your emotions. So these are the qualities of a sports person. Now we will move to the next section. Children, the next section here is home assignment / project. So in this home assignment / project, what is the activity given here? Let's read the heading here. Paste the pictures of P.V. Sindhu, Deepa Malik, Sakshi Malik, M.S. Dhoni and Mariyappan Thangavalu. Also write the names of the sports with which they are associated. So children, you should collect the pictures of these people. Who are the names? What are the names given here? P.V. Sindhu, Deepa Malik, Sakshi Malik, M.S. Dhoni and Mariyappan Thangavalu. You collect the pictures of these people and paste in your workbook under the given section. Then write the names of the sports with which they are associated. You should write the names of the sports like P.V. Sindhu. What does she play? She plays badminton. So you write the sport name they are associated with. Right? Paste the picture of P.V. Sindhu and write below the name of the sport they are associated. Paste the pictures of Deepa Malik and Sakshi Malik and write the name of the sport they are associated with. Then you can paste the picture of M.S. Dhoni. I think you know who M.S. Dhoni is. He is associated with cricket. So you should write the sport name associated. Dhoni is associated with cricket. So you write the name of cricket under the picture of Dhoni. And also Mariyappan Thangavalu. Paste the picture of Mariyappan Thangavalu and write the name of the sport he is associated with. This is about the home assignment / project in the lesson games we play. So with this section, we complete the workbook part for the 4th lesson games we play.